We are extremely pleased to announce that the one-shot ice cream and frozen yogurt pod dispensing system will be appearing at the Anuga 2019 trade fair at the Koelnmesse in Cologne, Germany. The event is held 5th to 9th October 2019, and we will be dispensing sample IL PRIMO ice and frozen yogurt products on the stand. Our exhibition stand number has not been released yet, but once it is released, we'll be posting it online and through social media. As market leaders, we traditionally have extremely busy exhibition stands, which is why we highly recommend that you come straight over to the stand to beat the rush. More information can be obtained online at www.one-shot.com, and we would like to be your frozen dessert supplier of choice.